In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Silverado key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and you won't need any special tools to get it done. The only things you'll need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now, some of you out there might have the Silverado key fob that looks like this, but instead of having 6 buttons, it only has 5. That's okay. There are just different layouts of these key fobs, and as long as yours has this little, it'll say Chevy there, mine says GMC. As long as it has this metal part and it's kind of the rubber finish there, you can follow along with this video, and we will get a new battery in your device in no time. So just get everything you need and then let's get started. The first step is to find the button on the side of your device. Hold that down while you pull out the internal key. You can set this to the side now. And from here, we're going to use our flathead screwdriver just because this is the safest and the easiest way to open your device. You're going to look inside where the key just came from. You can see there's the keyhole. In the middle, there is this kind of a little opening. There are two holes right there. And then below that, right in the middle, there is this kind of a slot right in the middle there. You can see, not this, right there. We're going to insert our flathead screwdriver in there and just gently turn the screwdriver like a key. Just turn it a bit and this back section of plastic will start to click off, and then you can just pull it off gently with your fingers, and there we go. We've opened it up and we have access to this battery. You can go ahead and grab the same tool and just use it to get under, with the corner of your flathead, just get under the battery and lift it up. Kind of pry or push the battery up, take it out, and now you can dispose of your old battery and grab your new CR2032 battery. And when you're putting it in there, make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign is facing down. So you want to line it up in the little battery housing, the circle there, and just snap it in face down, positive side down. All we need to do now is just click the two halves of the device back together. So just squeeze it together, make sure it's all nice and closed, and then put your key back in and you are finished. That's really all it takes. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, you can let me know down in the comments section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We have you covered with video tutorials for the devices of almost every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.